Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, si Jerman Kinay. And today, we'll be unboxing the T238 Tracer unit, also known as the Daybreak. This Chrono slash Tracer slash RGB, cool. Tracer is from our friends from T238. This is one of our sponsored posts, the rare ones. This took a while for it to send here because of, as usual, our customs process. So without further ado, let's get into it. The box looks nice. It's fairly heavy. How to open this one? Yeah. It's an okay, manual. I need to read this one. Ooh, stickers. Where can I put this? And screws. So that's the reason. It comes with, what's that, this thread size? I think this is for if you want to do slot in types, and this is threaded. I think this is 14 mm counterclockwise. Yep. What is my thread? Barrel. Yep. This one. This one. Ooh, it's heavy, huh? Damn. Wow. It's metal. This is actual carbon fiber, not sticker or paint. T238 Tracer unit Chrono version. Daybreak. It's fairly heavy. I need to check the weight on this one. LEDs, and it's sealed, so no problem when using with gel blasters. Beautiful. Now let's put this first, and that. Well, there's two screws. One is for holding, and one is for retention. Same length. Let's slot that in. Okay, that's good. Now how to turn this on? There. Oh, need to charge. Score, RPS, joules, joules per centimeters per second. Chrono on, Tracer RGB, diameter, weight, display power. Okay. Unit. FPS, RPS. It's very simple. Chrono on, off, tracer, RGB, red, yellow. Oh, rainbow is there. Dynamic is also there. Where's the sensor? It's not here, so here. No. So there's the sensor. Blue, 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 blue. Is any BBs here? BBs. 4 FPS. Very nice. Diameter. Okay. Weight. Okay, that's good. Most probably this is display timeout. So the screen will turn off after a while. And brightness. Ooh, that's good. And auto shutdown after use. This is important actually, because it might drain. And unit. And there's a record. Wow, simple. I will enjoy playing with this one, and I will get back to you on its performance. But overall, it looks amazing and feels amazing too. Although this scares me, but the probability of a BB hitting it is fairly low, but not impossible. Anywho, please follow for the next updates on this one. I'll do some testing using airsoft and gel blasters. If you have any comments, suggestions, bad interactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!